Hi everyone, I am Shiva. I think those who are subscribed my channel all are know, but those who are not subscribed my channel, introducing myself once. I am Shiva. I am electrical graduate, so presently working as a teacher in freelancing, 3 freelancing websites, which are one nationwide, that is an academy, and that subjects are covering from these platforms, and my journey to UPSC. And first of all, in this session I am taking for to choose your career options which your interest. If you are interested to do any work, it is no pain and no loss to yourself. Means in our India, lakhs of peoples are mostly 60 to 70% of people's youth population in our country, but the sustainable developments are very low, and to mostly the social issues are more in our country than other countries. So first of all, everybody want to take their own interest or option to take any field. Like if you go for inter and either MPC or BPC, so after MPC you take engineering, or after BPC you take pharma or medical industry, or go for MBBS, and after 10th go for law. So many career opportunities. If you are completed BTech, and after BTech the many distance education platforms are here. Indira Gandhi National University, Ambedkar University, Open University, which are in state, and IGONU, Indira Gandhi National University in Central Wide, to provide the Open University to those who are very busy at their jobs or something else after graduation. So career option, it is most important. It is not for earn money, it is for your satisfaction. So mostly the peoples are think that if we write something UPSC or any SSC, we get good salaries and with respect among society. This is very essential. First of all, it is essential, and I am also accept this. If you get it, if you are full of happy and with your work, it's very nice, and that is good for your career, and satisfaction is coming out from heart. But everyone, are most of the 70% of peoples I saw already in various type of peoples during preparation, during studies, conferences, meetings, or in our technical field or non-technical field. Many aspirants are meeting after. The career option is very important. So in this year, state government jobs and central government jobs are released, but most of the candidates are applied to all jobs. It is not a matter if you register fees is very low and I have to apply myself, but why you are for not applying, why you are not saying not applying, not apply. So it is up to you, but if your goal is one, either RRB, either SSC, either state or central, either civil services, anything if you want, you go through that way only. If you are not doing any job and you do the business, then you go for business. And I am not interested, I am only and passion in yoga, you go for yoga and do the PhD, then you establish one good yoga center. Or if you're very good at subject knowledge, if you're not going for any job, if you establish one good institute with your thoughts or with your talent, then that is also appreciable job for your satisfaction, and your time is mostly on that work only. So that is why if you choose your career, take it and think wise, or within the short time you should not think. So which field is good for you, and so if you are also in Dynamo, I will give the one example. If your mood is changed, means if your headache, then if you go for some place or you meet some person, then you relax, you think and you meet that person, and then you relax in your mind. So like this only, which field is good for you, and which is very like to do with more time, choose that. If that is also if it is not maintaining with my bank balance is low or something else, that is a matter, that is a not matter. What you do yourself, you go that way only. No disturbance, if disturbances are occur, you should not stop that way and keep going and running for your career to fulfill your dreams. Then you become very happy with your enthusiastic works. That works is helpful for society and mainly for your family. So choose your career with your own interest. So that is my intention to tell my friends and YouTube subscribers. If you are not subscribed my channel, if you want to happy to listen, and if you know something or if you learn something more from UPSC or career skills, this channel is provide many good things in future and present. And let's we meet in the next session, and Jai Hind.